Okay, so now we're gonna play amusement park. We have very cool moving targets over there that they are kind of gonna roll. I'm gonna put another 10 California rounds and let's shoot. We got a bad jam. Okay, so we got a bad jam. We have to clear it. Those 22 have a lot of bad bullets. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna pop the magazine out and see what's going on. It's got kind of like the bullet literally. Oh, this is interesting. Look how the bullet got crooked. The bullet literally is crooked. Let me put it here so you can see this is what happened to the bullet when it got in. So this is very dangerous, but it's good. One more. I think we have 2 bullets left. Let's turn it around again. And we are done. Clear. And we're gonna drop the magazine. Clear it again. Leave it open. And we're good. So this is very interesting what happened here. Let me put it on the black background. So you can see, whoops, that the bullet got completely crooked inside of the gun. It's a little bit dangerous, but thankful nothing happened. See you in the next video. Don't forget, like, subscribe, and share. Bye. Touch the screen.